Hi, this is William with Signet Slabs, and I wanted to do a demonstration of building an epoxy table with cedar that looks like this. We have a lot of cedar that is clear cedar with no rot, just like this, but we also down here in East Texas have a lot of cedar that ends up being like this. And I just want to do a demonstration to show you of what kind of work, what kind of result, what kind of product you can make with material like this. You can really get a nice looking finished product, a nice looking epoxy table with cedar like this. So this one is, for a demonstration, this one is going to be about 68 inches long and about 34 inches wide is what we're going to end up with when we're done. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to straighten up the ends on both of these pieces with a saw, and I'm going to build a little mold on a piece of melamine board to set this up on, and we're going to glue on with silicone some end caps and seal underneath both these edges to the mold, and then we're going to start pouring epoxy until we get this filled up. It's going to take a number of pours to get all of this area, all of these pieces soaked in where they stop drinking up the epoxy, and then we'll get it all to the top, and we'll get it planed and sanded down flush and finished. We'll show you the process of that.